Video I will show you how to make a table. If you want to make a table, you can just go here inside insert and make a table on how much you want it to be, or you can just make a table template like so. Or if you want it to be easier, you can search up Google Sheets. You can search up Google Sheet and use Google Sheets, and after that you can make the table here. For example, like 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 something like this, and then you can copy them. And you can paste them straight away on Word. You can pass them there are two types of paste. This is the second one, and this is the first one. This table is linked to the spreadsheet. If you click on this, you can actually go to the spreadsheet. And this is how you're able to create a table on Word.